What's going on, guys? In today's YouTube video, we have Lawrence! Yay! Well, anyway, I'm sorry for not uploading as much as I used to. School and stuff has been in the way, but now that I'm on summer break, more YouTube videos! Yay! Yay!
I can't throw it. My home.
No more home. Well, anyway, guys, in today's YouTube video, we have Lawrence, as you could tell. Not only that, Lawrence, is your tracking good, dog? Like, oh my. Well, anyway, in today's video, we are playing the brand new, all new ArENA mode. Anyway, ArENA mode, very fun, highly recommend. Do you like ArENA mode? When you see this, press yes, obviously. Well, we're gonna go ahead and start into a game, and we're just going to see how it is. Because me and Lawrence want to play ArENA mode.
What if I click no?
You will die. Well, anyway, as you can see, Lawrence wants to start the game, so we're going to go ahead and get right into today's video. Okay, now that we're in, we just got to target the red base. I'm using pistols because pistols are overpowered, as I said. But, yeah, go ahead and get some trash. I got a grenade! No, it's come here. Come here. Break! No! Lawrence, you cut me down! Double shotgun? He ain't suspecting this. Oh! 200! Double revolver. Watch this. Gotta go break. Gotta go break all the boards. In my base, base. Guess who's back? It is I, Joe Wallow. It's gotta break. Ah! Lawrence, no! Maybe if I'm sneaky, suspect me. Oh, nah, he definitely suspects me. Trash time. Sticky dynamite. Frag out! Lawrence was camping. Ha!
Shut up.
What the flip, bro? What the flip? This isn't fun, you know what? Or breaking montage. So, hi, Lawrence. He just killed himself again. Yay! I killed Lawrence again.
I killed you again.
I'm double pumping.
Double pump.
Aww. Yay! I win. Yay! Lawrence, your tracking is weird again.
I think you look funny. I think I look funny. Got him. No, I missed the jump.
Shut up, Lawrence.
Nothing fun close to me.
Oh, I just shotgunned myself all the way off the planet.
No, look! I can hear your floorboards creaking. Oh, hello there. Where do you?
Mr. Can't Die. What? Better watch out. Better not cry. Cause I'm telling you why. Gel is coming to your base. Okay, killing Lawrence montage.
What?
I can count to the number 3. Wanna look?
Not really.
Step outside your boundary and I'll show you. 1, 2, 3.
Shut up!
I'm done with this game. That's 4. And I win. I counted 1 extra number. I am so awesome sauce.
Shut up!
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It seems like I have a few research points that I collected over the time that we were playing. Let's go ahead and redeem those and see what we get.
You're invisible.
You're invisible. You're invisible.
No, you are.
No, you. RPG ammo. That's what we're getting. I died. RPG ammo is right there, so I gotta get to that. There we are. And I'm dead. Oh boy. Let me clutch. Oh wait. Oh crap. It appears I am dead. What the heck is going on in here? Oh my. Why is it so bright?
Hello, Will. Hello.
Oh my, Lawrence. This is quite the extraction you got here. So, anyway, Lawrence, can you go ahead and buy me a RPG ammo because I am broke. And when I mean broke, I am broke. So anyway, I can get a frying pan too, because why not? Because I need a frying pan. Chase, get your ugly buddy booty hole out of here, gang. Alright, thank y'all again so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for new future videos. Because I'm going to start uploading a lot more. I'm sorry for my upload schedule, it's kind of out of whack. Chase, leave the code! Alright, again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out. Goodbye.